This tutorial is for first grade, Module 1, Lesson 32. In this lesson, we're going to continue working on word problems, and in this case, we're going to let the students solve the problems in any way that they choose. I'll just show you a couple of examples on ways that they could solve the problems. The first one says there are 5 apples, 4 are Sam's, the rest are Jim's. How many are Jim's? I have a number bond in place, so I'm going to use the number bond to help me answer the question. So we can see that the top number on the number bond is 5, and that represents the 5 original apples. Since 4 of the apples are Sam's, I will decompose the 5 into 4 and some other number. Well, I know that 4 plus 1 equals 5, so I'll fill in the 1 for the other part of the number bond. And to fill in my number sentence, I can see that, again, I started with 5. I took away some apples. We'll say that the apples we took away are Sam's, and that means the 4 would go here. Then we're left with 1 apple, and that tells me that 1 apple, so I'm going to cross off the S there, 1 apple is Jim's. And that's one way we could solve this problem. The next problem says there are 8 mushrooms, 5 are black, the rest are white. How many are white? For this problem, I'm going to draw a picture. So I'm going to start by just drawing 8 circles to represent the 8 mushrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, since I know 5 of the mushrooms are black, I'll just count out those 5 mushrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to separate the 2 groups. That tells me that the remaining mushrooms are white. To fill in our number sentence, we started by drawing 8 mushrooms. We separated out the 5 that were black, so we took those away, and that showed us that 3 mushrooms are white because there were 3 mushrooms left over. For the number bond, we'll show how we decomposed this situation. We had 8 mushrooms. We decomposed it into 5 mushrooms that were black and the remaining 3 mushrooms that are white. And we'll fill in our final answer statement. And once again, the goal of this lesson is just to let the students use any learned strategy that they have to solve these subtraction problems.